Let's get started on problem 2. Listen carefully while I read it to you. It says, Jan says you can use addition to solve subtraction. She says to solve 7 minus 3, just add 3 plus how many equals 7. Explain how Jan is right using words, pictures, and numbers. So Jan is saying that you can use addition or plus in order to help you solve subtraction, which is minus. What she is saying is that you can solve 7 minus 3 by adding 3 plus how many equals 7. You've got to do two things here. First, you've got to figure out, can you do that? Is that right? So you need to show, can I solve 7 minus 3 equals blank by adding 3 plus how many equals 7? So what I would suggest is solving both of these problems, and if you get the same number here and here, then guess what? Yes, Jan is right. But if you don't get the same numbers there, if 3 plus how many equals 7 does not help you solve 7 minus 3, I need you to tell me no, okay? So you must do two things here. First, you need to solve both of those and figure out, does that work? Can I use both? Can that help me solve subtraction? Then you need to tell me, yes, she is correct, or no, she is not. Because on your test, that's part of your points. You have to be able to tell me, yes, she is right, or no, she is not. All right, go to the next problem and see if you can use addition to help you solve subtraction. Remember, you can always come back to the video if you need to listen again or if you need help.